Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another awesome Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Friends, this of course is my F1 car. If you have not seen this tutorial, there will be a link above. I have opened it today because I want to show you something cool that Tinkercad has added. If you click on Workplace Settings, you can now pick a new background color to give it a little more pop. When you click somewhere else, bam, it comes to life. Now friends, if you want to do a custom color, watch this. First, same trick, custom, pick your crazy color, and if you close settings, bam, there it is. Now if that does not work, check this out. You can also do background color, custom, and I'm going to drag it over to where I want, and if I click somewhere else, then it makes it perfect. I have found times where it would not happen. That is just a quick fix to show you how to get the cool color you want. Don't forget, we also shut off the grid because that lets us get a much cooler view of our project. I'm going to do that again just so you can see how much cooler it makes it. I think I'm also going to set this back to something that looks a little cooler than the black. I'm going to just go with this little blue-purple back here and call it done. But I just wanted to share that trick with you all super quick. Friends, I do want to quickly remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I've got the page dedicated to Tinkercad, tons of amazing categories, and then also day one lessons, useful starters, and Tinkercad essentials. Friends, there is also the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. I do also want to highlight the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, we've got more than 700 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.